Dishwasher MIELE G843 getting fault code F08 need help machine pumps out fine at startup fill properly then after a few minutes get F08 I request a tech that has experience with this manufacturer.
F08 means that your heater relay isn't engaging. Usually this is due to the circulation pump seizing up and the circulation pump needing to be replaced. Listen closely to the dishwasher and if it drains, then fills, and then it never starts pumping water, you need a new circulation pump. If the water doesn't pump through the dishwasher, it doesn't push down the heater level switch which causes the dishwasher to not heat the water and then you get the F08 error. Now if the washer does start circulating, you have a bad heater level switch and the heater level switch would need to be replaced. All parts come directly from Miele so you'll need to contact Miele to order any parts. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thanks for the quick response. I have checked the circulation pump, it is turns free.
It doesn't matter if it turns free or not. If it's not running then it needs to be replaced.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/ythi.